Again, 9:45 or so, Sunday, May 24th. Water just inundating our yard, washing out our everything. Just an incredible amount of water coming off of the street. This is Oakmont Circle right here. Storm drain's overwhelmed as it always is. And as you can see, the grass is pretty long and the water just flows down. We've about had enough of it. The water is now in the garage, as evidenced in the other video. You can see this whole area is just water coming off the street because it doesn't contain it. Our lot takes the brunt of it, as is clear by this video right here. The entire property line from east to west. Here we are on the west side, or the east side of our driveway now. You can see the gutter from the street is overwhelmed. And all of this goes down. You can see it here. And now, tonight, it has officially gone into the garage.